Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to set a stop limit order on Robinhood. First, open the Robinhood app and search for the stock you want to trade. On the stocks page, tap Trade and then select Buy or Sell. On the order screen, tap Order Types in the top right. Choose Stop Limit Order. Enter your stop price. This is the price that will trigger your order. Enter your limit price. This is the exact price you're willing to buy or sell at once the stop is triggered. Enter the number of shares you want and review your order and tap submit. And that's it. You've now placed a stop limit order on Robinhood. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.